if you have recently installed Pi-hole and you have been using it as your primary DNS for maybe few hours or few days, and you may have come across the warning message stating maximum number of concurrent DNS queries reach max 150. For example, on this Pi-hole instance, if I go to tools under Pi-hole diagnosis, I have this error message showing right here. So it is actually a warning message, not an error message. And there are a couple of reasons why this happened. The most common reason is that if you are forwarding all your DNS queries from your router direct to your Pi-hole, the Pi-hole only see one client. So if I go to dashboard right here, and if I go to active clients, I have two active clients. My router, which is 192.168.1.1, and the local host, which is 127.0.0.1, which is by default part of the Pi-hole configuration. So generally, when you set up a Pi-hole as your primary DNS, it should be able to see every single client requesting different queries. But however, because I have set up Pi-hole as my primary DNS on my router, which is located as 192.168.1.1, I know all of these requests coming in here is valid. So how do I get rid of this warning? Only thing you need to do is go to the settings, go to all settings, and change modified settings to all settings by clicking the button at the top right here. And then under miscellaneous, we're gonna go down to misc.dns-masq_lines. So this is where we can add additional lines, inject into the general DNS configuration. And in here, what we will do, we will enter dns-forward-max equal to whatever the number you want to enter here. So I put the value 500. So it has to be an integer. So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. So the key here is we need to enter dns-forward-max equal to whatever the number you want. And then click save and apply. So once you do that, the warning message is now gone. So if I go to where the warning showed up, which is the Pi-hole diagnosis, and the warning message is gone. Now, again, the reason why you get this error message, because Pi-hole is receiving way too many DNS requests from one client. But I know that client is my router, right? Because that's 192.168.1.1. So if I go to my router 192.168.1.1, and my router's internet configuration has the Pi-hole IP address as the primary DNS, 192.168.1.54. That is the IP address for my Pi-hole. So because router is taking care of the clients, individual clients, the Pi-hole can only see the router as the only client that requesting DNS, requesting web pages. So as a result of that, it's gonna throw out that error message saying maximum number of concurrent DNS queries reach max 150. Now, like I said, as long as you know why it is happening, even if it is not your router, if it is one specific client and you know why it is requesting so many DNS within a short period of time, you can simply go to your Pi-hole settings, under all settings, and under here you need to make sure that it is not under modify settings. Under all settings, you're gonna go to miscellaneous, and you're gonna go down to this miscellaneous.dns lines, and we're gonna enter dns-forward-max equal to 500, and you're gonna save and apply, and that will get rid of that error message for you. So again, the reason why this is happening, because Pi-hole only see one client, that is my router. So you can set it up your Pi-hole where every single client will be listed on your Pi-hole, and it will show up as the number of active clients when you set it up on your router side. But if you have set up your router side where your internet connection DNS is set up to your Pi-hole, not the internal network connections, it will only show up as a one single client, and that's why this error message shows up. That's everything for this tutorial. If you like these type of tutorials, please make sure to thumbs up this video and subscribe to my channel. And until next time, thank you so much and have a nice day.